If you're looking for an estate in Portharcourt that fits the best of luxury lifestyle, then there is no better place that fits into that description perfectly than our Goldtown Estate. Goldtown Estate is located at Eliogbolo, Portharcourt, and it is in close proximity to Rumokoro, and it is also in close proximity to some amazing estates right here in the city of Portharcourt, like Harmony Estate, Pearl Garden Estate, and the Shell Cooperative Estate. Right now, I'm inside Goldtown Estate, Portharcourt, and as you can see, we have a lot of project that is currently ongoing inside this estate. Just behind me are units of 3-bedroom Terrace Duplex that is currently for sale in our Goldtown Estate, Portharcourt. These units are selling very fast. A unit of this 3-bedroom Terrace Duplex is selling at an actual price of 61 million naira per unit, but we are currently running a 10% discount, meaning that in the next 1 week you can get a unit of this 3-bedroom Terrace Duplex in Goldtown Estate for just 54,900,000 naira per unit. It comes in the shell finish form. If you want it to be completed, we can also sell it completed for you. So I'm going to be going inside right now so you can see what the inside of each unit of this apartment, what it looks like. So each unit of this 3-bedroom Terrace Duplex has its own soakaway. This is a septic tank. Every unit has its own septic tank, and right here, this is the living area. This is the living area. You can see it is quite spacious. Here's the living area. This is the restroom for the living area. Then from here, this is the dining. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and this is the store. Now from this place, we have our boys' quarter. Each unit has its boys' quarter. So this is the boys' quarter. Every unit of this 3-bedroom Terrace Duplex has a boys' quarter. This is the boys' quarter, and this is the balcony. So you can make this place accessible to the boys' quarter, or you can choose to block this place so that it will not be accessible to the boys' quarter. So from here, we are going upstairs to see what we have upstairs. The 3 rooms in this apartment, they are all upstairs. So let's go into one of the units. You can see this is quite spacious. This is quite spacious. This is quite spacious. You can see this is the bathroom. This is spacious enough, and from here you can have a view of what the estate looks like. You can have a view of the entire estate from this place. What you are seeing there, that is Ikure Road. So the estate is just on the road, and it is very accessible. Then let's check out another room. This is another room. You can see they are quite spacious, and it has its own bathroom. All rooms are en suite in this building. This is another room, and this is the bathroom. All rooms are all en suite. So this is like a sit out. So that is it, and that is what the inside of this 3-bedroom Terrace Duplex what it looks like. Now the 54.9 million discounted price is for a shell finish unit of this duplex. But if you want it fully completed, it will be going for just 81.9 million. A shell finish simply means that everything about the exterior will be done. Everything about the exterior, the external plastering, the roofing, the external doors and windows, the fencing, the septic tank, everything is going to be done. But internally, the internal POP, the tiling, all of that will be done by the clients. So if you want it shell finish, we can buy it for just 54.9 million. Why, if you want it finish, you can buy it for just 81.9 million. Remember, if you're buying any of this unit, you don't need a tank stand. You don't need a tank stand because there's a provision for tanks on each unit at the roof. So if you're interested in owning for yourself a unit of this, which you can use for yourself and for your family, or you can even use it for short let, all you need to do is to call the number showing on your screen, or you send us a DM. Let me bring you for a free site inspection. Till I come your way next time, my name is Chris Aseka.